And so, of course, has been the Contender Series. This is the 8th staging, right, Mark?
That's correct, yeah, the 8th series.
Season, right. Let me just get to Richard really quickly, as we just saw his semi-final. Richard, after looking back at that clip just now, how ready are you at this point in time? We're just a week away.
Well, I'm in much better shape now than the last 2-3 fights that I have, you know. I'm in the gym working, you know, harder than before, so I'm in great shape. When I'm saying great shape, I mean a championship shape right now, you know.
Yeah. Mark, let me just swing back around to you. Of course, the series, the 8th season, culminates next week, Wednesday. Richard Frog Holmes against the Mexican-born teenage sensation from Canada, Ricardo
Salas.
Magic Man Salas.
Yeah.
Richard says he's ready and on point. In terms of the series this season,
Right.
how are you feeling at this juncture about it?
I think we're very, very happy. I think we have the right result at this stage of the series. We had some issues, obviously, with weight and some of the contestants.
Right.
But I think we've come to a situation now where we have a right result for a right final, and I'm very confident that it will be a very successful final. And I'm very happy to see, you know, Frog up there again, competing for the title. He's been obviously in the series for quite a number of years.
Yeah, two-time
and you know,
finalist.
He's a big Jamaican favourite,
Yeah.
and it's great to see him there. I think we've been very lucky with Salas being there as well. I think he's an explosive young boxer. He has a huge amount of talent, obviously, and it's great to have that kind of talent in the series in Jamaica. And, you know, across the whole series from when we started, the whole point was to bring international talent here,
right,
and to, you know, create a stage for people in Jamaica to have access to foreign talent to hone their own craft. And I think that's working out very well.